Alright guys, I got 2 videos planned for this week. As you guys seen in the last clip, I was talking about getting ready for Florida. That was filmed 2 days ago, so that's my apologies. I've been really slacking lately. I got my son's suitcase here. I got mine. We are T-minus 12 days until we go to Florida. So we'll be getting those all taken out, cleaned out, packed, and all that good stuff, and then all that. I'm gonna be recording, like I said, I'm recording 2 videos, so there's gonna be another video coming out. The other video we're doing, me and my fiance are turning my game room into our office / game room for me, office for her. So I'm gonna have to move a lot of stuff in here. Game room ain't the cleanest because just our house is tiny right now, so everything that's got to be out of the living quarters and just we don't use on a daily or don't need anymore. Well, not that we don't need it, because if we don't need it, we just throw it away. But things that we need, but only certain times a year. Like we have my AC in here, my hunting stuff in here. Pretty much just stuff like that is in my game room. So we're gonna get all that cleaned out and get that going. But yeah, so we're just gonna get rolling on 2 videos and all that. But yeah. Alrighty guys, it's been a couple days since that last clip. We're getting packed up. We leave next Thursday. Next Wednesday. Leave next Wednesday, so we're gonna get packed up. We just gotta clean this suitcase out. Found this suitcase. Me and one of my buddies we went and saw a dumpster outside of somebody's house that apparently he knew, and they said that they were gonna throw it away, and it was nothing wrong with it. So decided to take it. I got this one and the one that we're gonna use for my son, which is a little bit smaller, but this one's pretty decent size. So we're just gonna pack up a little bit. I got a bunch of like Hawaiian shirts type things that I'm gonna pack with me, so that way we have everything that we need. Alright guys, we got the bag halfway packed. Gotta work on my son's, but this is the bag. I don't know if you guys can really see. Sorry, I'm recording my camera facing backwards. I wasn't gonna switch it around just for that. But I'm gonna go grab my son's. I'll show you guys that one. That one's a little bit smaller. Like I said, don't mind me without a shirt. I was just trying on clothes. This is his. Literally the same thing, just smaller. Like I said, I got these steel. All right. But yeah, so we're gonna get the rest of these somewhat packed up for today. Later when we go downtown, I gotta get some locks for them, because I had locks for them that I bought last year for the suitcase we used last year, but my Nana took them because she's using that bag to go on a cruise this summer. And that, actually, I might have one of the locks. I'm just gonna have to look around my house for it. But yeah, so we're gonna get these bags packed and hopefully get everything where we need them, and then slowly start adding more to it by next Wednesday. Because next Wednesday we're leaving to go to the hotel, spending the night there, getting up at about, I think we agreed 4:30, so we can get there a little bit early. Catching our flight at 6 or at 7, and going to Florida. Make sure you guys stay tuned for that, because we are going to be recording the whole trip. That's planned. While I'm in Florida, I'm planning on just massively creating content because it's beautiful out down there. Also going to, while I'm down there, I'm also going to start running, get my running back, because it's cold here in New York. So it's going to be warm down there, so I'm going to get back into running again, especially with the academy coming up. I'll probably do some footage of me trying to get ready to go for the academy. And then when we get back, that's going to be our main focus. We're going to lock in on that and get that done and get started with Academy and see where that takes us. But I'll quit yapping, and next clip will probably be of us packing some more stuff in. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Let's get going. Also, another thing, as you guys seen in the previous video, we started working for Cutco. We got some free stuff coming in from them that we got, so we're gonna give that all a shot. I mean, I already have Cutco and I love it, but so we got some free stuff coming in, so I'll test this stuff out on video and let you guys know. But got this, a little baby shirt in here for my son. This is Florida. You know, got the little bit of pink on it because pink is one of the best colors. But yeah. Alrighty, guys. I know that was a pretty short video. Nothing real interesting on it or during this one. Just us packing up our stuff and just me chatting, really. I'm just running my mouth like always. But yeah, we are going, like I said, we're going to Florida at the end of this month. So there will be a bunch of content on that. The whole time we're in Florida, I'm planning on recording and all that. I want to say thank you guys for the 1,093 subscribers. That's amazing. So let's continue to grow the channel and let's get some content going, and hopefully in Florida we can find something fun to do, something fun for us and something fun for you. I think I said it before, when we get to Florida, I'm buying a new laptop because right now I'm using the fiance's laptop. So once I get my own, I'm probably gonna go live for a little bit while I'm down there, just chat with you guys and all that good stuff. But make sure you guys share the video, like the video, subscribe, watch the videos all the way through. We have the viewers or the subscriber count. Now I'm just working on getting the views up, and then once we start making some cashola on YouTube, we're gonna put some money into videos and start making them better and more fun. But until then, might be a little boring for now, but Florida should be pretty fun. We leave next Wednesday to go to the hotel, so we'll get some videos of that. I got my recording stuff. I got my my mics, my other phone, so you guys should get better videos. Quality might be a little different because I will be recording on my other phone if I'm using my mics from around public, because they don't currently plug into this phone because of the phone case, so I gotta find a different one. But yeah, so we're gonna get going. There should be another video out before we go to Florida. I plan on editing up the video that I make the day we go to the hotel on the plane, getting that going. So by the time we land, or maybe while we're in the air, if it allows it, I'll get that uploaded to you guys. But we'll see you guys in the next video. And if I don't end up posting the other one because if something fell through, you guys will see a video of us at the hotel and getting ready to go on the trip. But until then, we'll see you guys on the next one. Also, if you guys prefer the content with the mics, if it sounds better on your guys' end, let me know in the comments and we'll start using them again. I just haven't been using them because I just been recording off my new phone instead of the old one. And like I said, this phone does not let this phone case doesn't let the adapter plug into it, so I have to record off the old phone. But if you guys want the mics to come back, if it sounds better and all that, I'm more than happy to start recording with the old phone again. But yeah. Alrighty guys, today we're gonna be packing up some luggage. It's gonna be a pretty laid back video. It's not gonna be anything real interesting. We're gonna pack up some stuff, get ready for our trip. Just sit back, grab something cold to drink and a snack, and thanks to you guys for coming and hanging out.